Hello everyone. Let us understand the concept of DEMPE in international taxation. DEMPE refers to the framework used to determine how profits from intangible assets like patents, trademarks, or software should be allocated among multinational group entities. It stands for development, enhancement, maintenance, protection, and exploitation of intangibles, ensuring profit aligns with the actual economic activities performed rather than just ownership. Let us understand this with the help of an example of a pharmaceutical multinational group. So the group has parent company in country A which legally owns the patent for a new drug. Subsidiary R&D unit in country B which conducts the research and development. Subsidiary marketing unit in country C which builds brand recognition and enhances market value, that is enhancement. Subsidiary legal unit in country D who manages patent registration and litigation, that is protection. Subsidiary manufacturing unit in country E which produces and sells the drug, that is exploitation. Thus, allocation of profit under DEMPE should be as follows. The R&D unit in country B should receive a significant share of profit because it created the drug. The marketing unit in country C earns returns for enhancing brand value. The legal unit in country D gets compensated for protection activities. The manufacturing unit in country E earns profit from exploitation. The parent company in country A cannot claim all profit simply because it legally owns the patent. It only earns returns consistent with its actual contribution. Example, funding of R&D. So, the question comes in mind, why DEMPE matters or what it targets to achieve. The answer is DEMPE prevents profit shifting to low tax jurisdiction where entities hold intellectual property but performs no real function. It ensures fair taxation by aligning profits with value creation. It helps tax authorities assess transfer pricing arrangements for intangibles. Thus, to summarize, DEMPE ensures that profit from intangibles are taxed where real economic activities occur, not just where legal ownership is registered. Thank you.